A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, the Earth and its neighbors. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn about stars, we are going to learn about planets, satellites. Do you know what do we call them as? Yes, heavenly bodies. Can you recall heavenly body that twinkles at night? Yes, it's a star. You know, star has its own heat and light. उसकी अपनी light होती है, right? And it shines during, we might have seen in the night sky, right? So today we are going to learn about the stars, about the planets, what is the difference between star and a planet. Star is a huge mass of gases. आपको पता है sun भी एक star है. Some stars are smaller than sun, some are bigger than sun, right? So sun is a star, right? And it has its own heat and light. लेकिन जो planet होते हैं उनकी अपनी light नहीं होती है. Do you know on which planet do we live? Yes, it's Earth. Earth की अपनी कोई light नहीं है. The Earth shines when the light of sun falls on it. जब sun की light fall करती है, then only the Earth shines. Right? So it means what? The planet, they are the slow moving heavenly bodies that do not have their own heat and light. This is the basic difference between the star and the planet. तो star क्या है? Star is a heavenly body having its own heat and light. लेकिन planet क्या है? A heavenly body with no heat and light of its own. Right? And there are billions of stars. But there are 8 planets. There were 9 planets, but now the last planet, that was Pluto, is not considered as a dwarf planet, right? Okay, so we're going to learn about the different planets. You know, these billions of stars, they are part of a cloud, you know, that is there in the sky. That is basically called as galaxy. Galaxy क्या है? It's a star cloud that has billions of stars. और वो कौन सी गैलेक्सी का पार्ट है? मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. विच गैलेक्सी? मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी, राइट? और आपने कभी नाइट में देखा होगा स्काई के अंदर, यू नो, यू हैव स्टार्स मेकिंग डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स, राइट? वो पैटर्न ऑफ स्टार्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्स्टेलेशंस. सो कॉन्स्टेलेशंस क्या है? दे आर द पैटर्न ऑफ स्टार्स, राइट? सो यू मस्ट नो दीज टर्म्स. तो क्या डिफरेंस है स्टार और प्लैनेट में? स्टार्स आर बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट्स आर 8 planets. Do you know what are those? Mercury, this is the first planet which is the nearest planet to the sun. Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Pluto was considered as a dwarf planet in 2006 and Plutoid in 2008. Right? But now it is not considered as a dwarf planet. Okay? So now we have how many planets? 8. Actually, the Uranus and Neptune, these planets were developed after the invention of telescope. Right? And do you know which is the hottest one? You might be saying it would be Mercury. Mercury hottest कह सकते हैं because it is nearest to the sun. But Venus is much more hotter. Do you know why? जो उनके clouds होते हैं ना, वो clouds, you know, they trap the heat of the sun, जिसकी वजह से वो इतना hot हो जाता है कि even it is more hot than the boiling water. उसके rocks इतने ज़्यादा hot हो जाते हैं. And Venus, you know, we call them as a morning and the evening star. और जो Jupiter है, Jupiter is the largest planet among all the 8 planets. Is that thing clear to you? Right? So we are going to learn about the different planets in the next class. Right? I hope the difference between star and planet is clear. Let us recall once more. Star is, it's a heavenly body having its own heat and light. And planet, a heavenly body with no heat and light of its own. Right? And there are billions of stars. There are the 8 planets. And what are the patterns of star called? Constellations. And galaxy, star cloud, that is billion of stars. And on which galaxy do we stay? That's the Milky Way galaxy. Right? So for your homework, you will be reading page 91 and page 92. That is just the introductory part and the difference between the star and the planet. So in the next class, we are going to learn about the different planets. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much.